Hey everyone, Phil Stevenson, Mortgage Nerd here. I'm going to be a little Nostradamus here and let you know that I do not see values dropping this year. A lot of people will disagree with me. Friends of mine in real estate, they're doom and gloom. They say, hey, 14, 20 million unemployment, never seen anything like it. Values are going to crash, this and that. The problem is we only see what happened most recently to us. We only see what happened in the recession 12 years ago of 2008. In that recession, we saw values crash. So we keep thinking that, oh man, this is what's going to happen again, including very smart people, very good people in this industry. But I don't see it. The reason I don't see it is because our housing market is actually what's going to prop us up. It's what's going to help us get out of this. The housing market was amazing. And now there's rates like what we're offering, 2.5% to 3%. If it's 3%, the APR is 3.108. These types of rates are going to help new buyers come into the market. People that weren't even thinking of buying or were saying, maybe I will, maybe later, because it's so inexpensive. The ability to purchase a property at the current values is going to be so inexpensive that we're not going to see these values go down. So many buyers are going to flood. One seller is going to get multiple offers, and so they're not going to have to drop their prices. We're seeing it already. Today is Wednesday, May 13th. All my realtors are telling me that they are extremely busy. One realtor said today he has 6 showings a day on his listings here in Miami. That does not sound like a housing crash. Yes, there's going to be a tsunami of foreclosures. I was explaining this to a friend of mine who's an investor, saying, all right, we're going to see the regular values should continue normal, regular purchases and things like that. Yeah, we're going to have a bunch of foreclosures. Maybe that'll bring the market down. Maybe it'll keep us flat. Maybe we're not going to see appreciation this year. Who cares? If you could find a really good deal later this year in a foreclosure, great. But the only way to get foreclosures is to go to an auction and to take the risk of you don't know what liens are on the property. You have to do a lot of work on the property. You have to buy it cash. You have to deposit 10% of whatever offer you're going to make before going to that auction. That's really where you get foreclosures. People think you're going to get foreclosures from a realtor who lists the property. No, by the time it's gotten there, it's not a good deal anymore. You've got to be the investor that goes to the auction house. That's a lot of work. It's a lot of work for someone like me, and I understand the industry. So the reality is, if you're going to buy a primary residence, you're going to use a realtor, you're not in the business, you're not going to the auction, you're going to get something that's listed on the MLS. That value should be very similar today to what it is 6 months from now, but it might go up. That we don't know, especially with programs like this 2.5% to 3% rate for purchases. It's gonna be huge. We're gonna see the markets really boom. Nostradamus, aka Mortgage Nerd. Thank you. Bye.